Hello, Tanya. There's a couple people in your life who obviously very much love you, Brad and Tara, if I said their names correctly. But they want me to build you a cutting board from my signature series. It's an end grain cutting board. It'll last you forever. It's going to be made out of this African Padauk. From what Brad tells me is you're on some kind of an African kick, and that's great because there's different woods from Africa. This is just one of them. But it's this beautiful red board right here. We're going to cut this down into a couple pieces. And we're going to put a diamond pattern that goes down the center of it, made out of walnut. It's going to have a dark and a light kind of a diamond pattern. We're going to cut a section out of that, and that'll go right down that center. But this video is all about building your special cutting board. I hope you appreciate it. That's going to be nice. All right, Tanya, you ready for a little magic? Keep in mind, this is just the first coat, so we're going to do as many as we can for it to stop drying out like that. So once the oil sits on top and it doesn't soak in anymore, we're done. Also, with African Padauk, it's going to leach out a bit of the pigment for the first few times of your applications. It's non-toxic. Don't worry about that, but You know, there's no flavor to it either. So anyways, but it'll end up being a very, very beautiful, beautiful dark red board. I know you'll enjoy it. This turned out beautiful. This will last you forever, and I hope you enjoy it.